Video presentation from Department of Panchakarma, Sindhi Shantivireshwara Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Haveri. This video about applied Panchakarma in Dadru contains introduction, Nirukti, Paribhasha, Nidana, Lakshana, Samprapti, Upadrava, Chikitsa Sutra, modern correlation, ringworm. Introduction. Dadru Kushta is one of the type of the Shudra Kushta. Kushta is one among the Ashtamahagada and a Santarpanota Vyadhi. It is considered as Dirgha Roga and Kashtakara Roga. Nirukti and Paribhasha. Sakandu, Raga, Pidakam, Dadru, Mandalam, Udgatam. Dadru Kushta is a type of the Shudra Kushta wherein clinical features of itching, redness and elevated round patch with eruption. Vagbhata and Sushruta explained Dadru Kushta in Mahakushta, Atasi Pushpa Varnini Tamrani Va Visarpini Pidakavanti Cha Dadru Kushtani. Dadru Kushta is characterized by Atasi Pushpa Varnani, color of the Atasi Pushpa, Tamrani, coppery color, Visarpini Pidakavanti, eruptions which spreads quickly. Here this picture shows appearance and characters of Dadru Kushta. Nidana of Dadru Kushta. Sitoshna, use of cold substance followed by hot substance. Langana, fasting and eating frequently and not following the method of taking food. Drinking cold water immediately after exposure to sun. Exertion and fear. Intake of food during indigestion or before digestion of previous meal. Improper management during 5 purificatory therapies. Viruddha Annapana, incompatible diet and drinks. Drava Snigdha Guru, excessive intake of liquids, unctuous food, heavy food substances, suppression of urge of vomiting after eating food and also suppression of other urges. Indulging in excessive exercises or exposure to excessive heat after taking excessive quantity of food. Sitoshna, use of cold substances followed by hot substances. Excessive intake of Navanna, recently harvested grains, Dadi, curd, Matsya, fish. Excessive intake of saline and sour substances. Excessive consumption of Masha, black gram, Mulaka, radish, paste of pulses, Tila, Shira, Guda. Indulging in sexual intercourse during indigestion. Divaswapna, day sleep. Disrespect to Brahmans and teachers. Papakarma, doing sinful acts are the causative factors of Kushta. Lakshana of Dadru. Sakandu, Raga, Pidakam, Dadru, Mandalam, Udgatam. The clinical features of Dadru are Sakandu, itching, Raga, redness, and Pidakam, Mandalagatam, elevated round patch with eruptions. According to Sushruta, Atasi Pushpa Varnani Tamrani Va Visarpini Pindikavanti Cha Dadru Kushtani. Dadru Kushta is characterized by Atasi Pushpa Varnani, color of the Atasi flower, Tamrani, coppery color, eruptions which spreads quickly. Vagbhata added the features like skin patches spreads long and wide resembling the durva grass, elevated circle patches associated with itching and persists for long time. Samprapti of Dadru Kushta. The aggravated Vatadi doshas vitiates the Tvaka, Rakta, Mamsa, Ambu. These 7 pathogenic substances of Kushta produces the Dadru Kushta. Samprapti Gataka, Dosha, Tridosha, Dusha, Tvaka, Rakta, Mamsa, Lasika, Agni, Jatragni Datvagni Mandya, Ama, Jatragni Datvagni Mandya, Janya Ama, Srotas, Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Swedava, Sroto Dushti, Sanga, Vimarga Gamana, Adhishtana, Tvaka, Udbhavasthana, Amashaya, Sancharasthana, Tiryakashira, Vyaktasthana, Tvaka, Rogamarga, Bahya. Chikitsa of Dadru Kushta. According to Sushruta, Tatra Purva Rupeshu Bhayatah Samshodhanama Seveta. During the Purva Rupa Avastha of Kushta, Urdu and other Samshodhana means woman and Vimechara therapies should be administered. According to Vagbhata, Snehapana should be given in the Purva Rupa Avastha of Kushta. In case of Vata predominated Kushta, Sarpipana. In case of Vata Kapha predominated Kushta, Vamana. In case of Pitta predominated Kushta, Virechana, followed by Rakta Mokshana are recommended. According to Sushruta, Vamana should be induced every fortnight. Samshamana purgation should be done every month. Alpa Rakta Mokshana should be done twice a year, and Nasya nasal administration of drugs should be given every third day. Sarpipana is administered with Trifaladi Guta, Tiktaka Gruta, Tikta Saptalaka Gruta, Mahatiktaka Gruta, Mahakadira Gruta, Vajraka Gruta, Mahavajraka Guta. Acharya Sushruta mentioned Gruta according to the Doshaja predominance Kushta. They are Vataja Kushta. Gruta processed with the Meshashungi, Gokshura, Guduchi, Dashamula. It can be given as Snehapana and Alepa. Pittaja Kushta. Gruta processed with the Dava, Ashwakarna, Kukuba, Palaka Nimba, Maduka. Kafaja Kushta. Gruta processed with the Priyala, Shala, Aragvada, Nimba, Chitraka, Maricha, Vacha, and Kushta, or Taila processed with the Ballataka, Haritaki, Vidanga should be administered. In Tridoshaja Kushta, Tuvaraka Taila or Ballataka Taila should be administered. Astapana and Anuvasana Basti are contraindicated in Kushta because of their specific utility, and in case of Vata predominant Kushta, Basti is prescribed and it should be given as per suitability. Astapana Basti is given with Darvi, Bruhati, Patola, Madana, Krutamala, Kalinga, Yava, Mushta added with Sneha, unctuous substances. Anuvasana Basti is given with Madanapala, Maduka, Nimba, Kutaja, Patola, Sneha, unctuous substances when the Vata dosha is predominated after Virechana and Astapana Basti. Nasya is administered with Churna prepared from Saindava, Danti, Maricha, Pipali, Karanjapala and Vidanga. It eliminates Krimi, Kushta and Kafaja Prakopa Vyadis. Virechanika Duma is given with Varti prepared from Shweta, Jyotishmati, Haratala, Manashila, Agaru and Patra. It pacifies Krimi, Kushta and Urdhvaga Kilasa. Vamana is administered with Shitarasa, cold decoction, or Pakwarasa, decoction prepared from Kutajapala, Madana, Maduka, Patola, Nimbapatra, Rasa, added with Maduka and Madhu when the doshas are in excited state, or doshas are in Rudya or Kushta located in Urdhva Bhaga. Virechana is administered with Tivruta, Danti, Trifala. These recipes can be prepared by mixing with Sauviraka, Trushnodaka, Asavas and Sidhu. Rakta Mokshana. Rakta Mokshana is administered with Prachana in case of Alpa Kushta and Siravada in Bahu Kushta. Prachana Rakta Mokshana, scraping type of bloodletting, is done in case of Sthira, stable, Katina, hard and Mandala, circular patches, Kushta with Kurcha, surgical brush with hard blisters. After Prastara and Nadi Sweda, stone swab or tube method of sudation. Prachana Rakta Mokshana, scraping type of bloodletting with Tikshna Shastras, sharp instruments, is done in case of Utsanna Kushta, elevated skin patches, after Sukoshna Potali Sweda containing Jangala and Anupamamsa, meat of aquatic and marshy animals. Shringa, Alavu, Jalavka, types of the Rakta Mokshana bloodletting should be administered in case of Alpa Kushta. Vagbhata stated that Siravada venesection should be done in the veins of Lalata, forehead, Hatsa, hand and Pada, legs in case of Utsanna Kushta. Lepa, application of paste. Paste is prepared with Kushta, Karanjabija and Idagaja. Is alleviates Kushta. Paste is prepared with Ela, Kushta, Darvi, Shatapushpa, Chitraka, Vidanga, Rasanjana, and Abhaya, it elevates Kushta. A paste is prepared with Mamsi, Maricha, Lavana, Rajani, Tagara, Sudha, Grahaduma, Gomutra, Gopitta, and Palashakshara eliminates Kushta. Patya, Apatya. Patya. Laguanna, light diet. Tikta, Shaka, bitter vegetables. Anna, food. And Gruta, ghee, prepared by mixing with Ballataka, Triphala, and Nimba, Puranadanya. Jangala Mamsa, meat of wild animals. Mugda and Patola or Patya. Apatya. Guru, heavy. Amla, sour. Paya, milk. Dadi, curd. Anupa Mamsa, meat of marshy animals. Matsya, fish. Guda, jejjeri. And Tila are Apatya, two patient of Kushta. Samshamana Aushadis of Kushta, Kashayas. Vata Pradana, Manjishtadi Kashaya, Gugulu Tiktaka Kashaya. In Pitta Pradana Kushta, Tiktaka Kashaya, Mahatiktaka Kashaya, Shonitamrutadi Kashaya, Panchatiktaka Kashaya, Negrodadi Kashaya, Patoladi Kashaya. In Kapha Pradana Kushta, Aragwadadi Kashaya, Aragwadadi Amrutadi Kashaya, Nimbadi Kashaya, Trayantadi Kashaya. Gruta, Kalyanaka Gruta, Vajraka Guta, Tiktaka Gruta, Mahatiktaka Gruta, Gugulu Tiktaka Gruta. Vati, Arogyavardhini, Rasa, Viladi, Gutika, Kaishora Gugulu, Amrutadi Gugulu, Chandraprabha, Vati. Churna, Gugulu, Panchapala, Churna, Avipatti Kara Churna, Trifala, Asava and Arista, Kadirarista, Aragwadadista, Lepa, Negrodadi Lepa, Eladi Churna Lepa, Nimbadi Churna Lepa, Dashanga Lepa. Prevention and control for the Kushta. Keep their skin clean and dry by washing daily and drying completely, particularly after swimming, showering, sweating activities. Use clean towels and avoid sharing cloths, towels, combs, brushes and hats. Avoid tight fitting clothing. Change clothing every day. Wash hands well with soap and water after playing with pets. Dadru Kushta is correlated with ringworm disease. Topics of ringworm: introduction, mode of transmission, types of ringworm, symptoms of ringworm, diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of ringworm. Introduction of ringworm. Ringworm is a fungal infection, also known as tinea or dermatophytosis. Causative agent feed on keratin. It is caused by dermatophytes. Mode of transmission of ringworm. It gets transmitted from an infected person, animal, inanimated object, and soil. Types of ringworm. Ringworm that affects the skin, scalp, feet, nails, face, beard area, hand. First one, tinea corporis, skin. Itchy, raised, ring-shaped, scaly patches that may blister and oozy hair loss. Second one, scalp, tinea capitis, patches, scaling, bald spots on the scalp, dandruff or seborrhea. Third one, feet, tinea pedilis, scaling, inflammation in the toe webs, itching, burning, redness, stinging on the soles of the feet. Fourth one, nail. It makes fingernails white, thick, opaque, and brittle. It makes toenails yellow, opaque, and brittle. Fifth one, face, tinea faciae. It causes ring-shaped red scaly patches with indistinct edges. Sixth one, beard area. It causes swelling, a marked crusting, sometimes causes the hair to break up. Seventh one, hands, tinea manum. It typically causes thickening, hyperkeratosis, the area often on hand. It causes itching, burning, scaling of skins on hand. Diagnosis of ringworm. First one, skin biopsy. Second one, KOH examination. Prevention and control of ringworm. Don't share clothes, sports gears and towels. To wear slippers in locker rooms and public pool and bathing areas. to shower after any sport that includes skin to skin contact, to wear loose fitting cotton cloths, to keep skin clean and dry, to take pets to veterinary if it has patches. Treatment of ringworm. Ringworm can be treated with antifungal creams containing topical agents like clotrimazole, miconazole, ketoconazole, fluconazole, terbinafine.